Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a review. Pasensya na doon sa wild makeup I look at undone makeup kasi also reviewing a palette or eyeshadow palette along with the review of this new makeup tool. And what I'm talking about is the dupe for the Juno Sponge. Yes, the Juno Sponge na ginagamit ni Nikki tutorials. So I got this from O2O. Kita ba? Yan. Only for only 99 pesos. And ito yung micro sponge something. Micro ano ba? Yun, micro sponge. And I'm going to test this out. Wala pa akong eyeshadow. Wala pa akong foundation. That is why I also want to do this tutorial or review of the sponge. So, ito yung normal size niya. So, ganito yung sa AOA. Para lang may comparison. This is AOA dirty, no? And this is the dupe for the Juno Sponge. Again, para siyang towel. And babasain ko lang siya. Ang weird nung texture niya. Parang hindi siya nababasa. Ito na yung wet. Sige, compare natin ulit siya kay AOA. Yan, medyo nag-expand naman siya no kaunti. Anyway, so I wet it out. I'm going sorry all over the place ng video. So I'm going to use my A1 True Color Flawless Liquid Foundation for this one. Pinaglaruan ng anak ko kaya may something na siya. For the price, price niya is only, I believe, 90 pesos or 99 pesos. So, super mura. Bala ko nga kasing kunin yung dupe yung sa DTC Makeup ba yun? Sa Shopee or sa Instagram. But that cost, sorry, 300. This is the lowest or the cheapest dupe ng Juno Sponge. Ayan, nalalagay ko lang siya sa face ko. Lumaki naman pala siya, no? In fairness. Tapos, ang onti lang nung nilagay ko, isang pump lang. Na-cover na niya yung buong mukha ko. May difference ba? Laki ng difference. Kumusta naman yung Ravenna eye look ko. Yan. For lambot yung pagkalambot niya, medyo hindi blended yung eyebrows ko. Medyo malambot naman siya, in fairness. Pero mas malambot yung AOA. Gusto ko lang itong kilay natin. Kuha ulit ako ng isa pang pump. Isang pump yan. Tapos suotin natin ulit itong blending sponge na to. Ang bilis niyang makabigay ng coverage. Takip niya agad lahat. Wow! Tapos, I don't know, hindi siya patsi-patsi pag nagbe-blend. This is magic. Yung lashes ko maangat. Talaga ako magaling mag-eyelashes, no? So, 2 pumps. Normally, when I use the AOA sponge, nakaka 3 pumps ako dito sa foundation na. This one, as you can see, 2 pumps lang. Pero gusto ko pa ng super full coverage, so magdadagdag tayo. Ang bigat lang yan. Ang bigat lang ng sa feeling sa mukha. Tapos, ano ba? Ewan ko, parang kang nag-aano ng mukha, bimpo sa mukha. Pero again, ang ganda niya mag-blend. Dupe lang to O2O version to. What if pa yung mismong Juno? Bala ko din bumili ng Juno eh. Yan, so, yan na yung foundation natin. Hindi naman talaga full coverage to, kaya hindi natatakpan yung ibang spots na kailangan pang takpan. So, magko-concealer tayo. I'm going to use the Sun concealer. Dun sa mga areas that I need more coverage. This is magic. I mean, as you can see, ang bilis niya mag-blend. Looks promising. Yun na lang. Di ako sanay na para bang parang para kang may towel na ginaganong sa mukha. But the microfiber really helps in terms of blending or spreading the product. And again, napakatipid. 2 or 3 pumps lang to. Normally, I have 5 pumps for this foundation. O, diba? Ayos ba? Kasi nawala yung eyeshadow ko. So, yeah, for the price, I really would recommend the sponge. Again, I'll link the Shopee seller down below. I'll finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be back with my thoughts. So, my thoughts for the Juno sponge. I really like the sponge. I really like the sponge. It really blends well. It blends the product well. It is super matipid siya in terms of products kasi hindi niya na-absorb yung yung foundation or your concealer. So, mas nag-concentrate yung foundation and yung concealer dun sa skin mo rather than going into the sponge or mas na-absorb ng sponge. So, I will link the seller down below. Again, I highly recommend this product. May pouch pa siya. Yan. I might get the real Juno one. I will compare them together. Hopefully, I get them. Pag hindi, pero para kasing kontento na ako dito sa O2O sponge. So, yeah, that is all it for me. Hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Yun, that is all it for me. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!